Good morning, Mitch with OMG Carpet Cleaning here in Buford, Georgia today. This is one of our repeat customers. As you can see, there's some spots there by the bed. So they have what we call camouflage carpet here, which is green. Looks a lot lighter on camera. They have company coming into town this weekend, so we're here to freshen up the carpet, and as you'll see once we get in the hallway, they have three little dogs. You see a spot there to the left. And then the worst spots are out here in this loft area. See them there to the left and the right. They're kind of everywhere. I'm not showing up too good on camera, but they're definitely there. And now they're kind of showing up. Might be able to see better this way, yeah. Lots of little spots. I think they're Malteses, I think. But yeah, there's three of them, so it's a little quick 4-area job here. Like I said, it's 11:45. And we'll shoot the after and see how it looks. Stay tuned. Okay, we just finished up this $160 job. It was, the 4 areas, and as you remember, there was a ton of spots in this area here, which is the loft overlooking the living room. There was probably, 6 dozen spots that were up here. You could see them really good when we were shooting an angle this way. But again, with OMG, there's no upsells, no per spot fees, none of that kind of stuff. Cleaning is included with the carpet cleaning. Not much else to see through here, but we'll run you through anyway. So we have the loft area, the hallway here, the bedroom, and then the stairs. The bedroom did have a couple spots right here on the bedpost. That and then those are bleach spots. Everything else came out great. Obviously the lighting did change. It took us about 45 minutes to do the job. But again, no per spot fees, no upsells, no that kind of stuff. It's a exact price quote with a guarantee of if you're charged more than you're quoted, the carpet cleaning is free. So it's a win-win. Again, this is Mitch with OMG Carpet Cleaning, 404-500-9853, or on the web at omgfloorcare.com. Let's get back into focus here. omgfloorcare.com, 404-500-9853. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Take care. Be kind. And we'll see you, or you'll see us, next time.